Come here, Jess.
Cheese.
Don't get too close, baby.
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready. Hold your breath. Swim to mommy.
Swim. You did it.
Good job.
Come on, can you get some water on that one?
I told you close your mouth.
Okay, come here. We'll do it one more time. You ready? Hold your breath.
No.
Hold your breath.
No.
What was that? You're swimming, kid. Okay.
No. Where are you?
Okay, swim to it. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold your breath.
Yes.
Wow. Good job.
We'll try it again. Swim to me. Okay, swim to me. Come on, I got you. All right, swim to the ladder. You ready?
Yeah.
Hold your breath. That's pretty good. Come on, swim to me. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, swim to the ladder. Hold your breath.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you did it. Swim to me now.
Look, sit down, mommy. Sit down.
What?
Sit down.
Okay, she is. Swim to me.
Here.
Peace.
Good job. Yeah.